Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Wix. This is an incredibly useful feature if you're running a business or freelancing, as it allows you to send professional invoices directly to your clients through your Wix account. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look over to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll find an option labeled Getting Paid. Click on this option and a drop-down selection will appear. From the options presented, choose Invoices. This section is where all your billing and invoice management happens, making it easy to keep track of payments and client interactions. Once you're in the Invoices section, you'll see a list of all the invoices you've previously created under your Wix account. This gives you a quick overview of your billing history. To create a new invoice, simply locate the Create New button on the top right corner of your screen. When you click it, a drop-down selection will appear. From the options listed, select Invoice. This will initiate the process of creating a brand new invoice for your client. You will now be directed to the Invoice Creation page. This is where you'll fill in all the necessary details for your invoice. Start by entering your customer's email contact in the designated field. If the contact isn't already listed in your system, you can click on the plus New Customer button to add one. Once you enter the email, you'll notice that the address will automatically populate, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. Next, enter a title for your invoice. This could be something descriptive like web design services or monthly retainer, so both you and your client can easily identify what the invoice is for. Having a clear title helps keep everything organized, especially if you're managing multiple clients. Now, under the Products and Services field, start by adding the type of item you wish to bill in this invoice. Select the item from the list, then choose a variant your customer purchased if applicable. This step is optional for some items, but it's useful if you offer different versions of a product or service. Next, set the quantity and price for the item. You can also add a description in the bottom part of the item listed to provide additional context or details about what you're billing for. Once you've added all the items, carefully check the pricing to make sure everything matches your agreement with the client. At this stage, you can also add tax rates, discounts, notes, or request a deposit if required. These options give you flexibility in how you structure your invoices and ensure you're covering all necessary details. Before finalizing, check the terms if needed. This might include things like the payment due date, return policy, or refund policy. These terms protect both you and your client by clearly outlining expectations. Once you've reviewed everything and you're satisfied with how the invoice looks, click on the Send Invoice button on the top part of your screen. Your invoice will be sent directly to your client and they'll receive it in their email. And there you have it, you've successfully created and sent a professional invoice through Wix. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.